My name is Dafara Khorinisa Zuliani.
Hello, my name is Ganesha Fika Raisa. You can call me Fika, and I am from Group 7, Linux Mint.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7. First, I would like to thank for your attendance in today's presentation. In this presentation, we are explain and discussion about the third most popular home OS Linux Mint. Di sini ada tabel of contents-nya itu. Yang pertama itu ada introduction, yang kedua itu ada basic theory, yang ketiga itu ada problem analysis, yang keempat ada conclusion and suggestion.
First slide I'm gonna introduce is background. Of this resume, computer play an important role in our everyday life. The most important thing in computer technology is OS, operating system. From the millennial to Gen Z, these are the generation they are introducing and share unique characteristics that define their generation. Linux Mint is a free and open source operating system, and Mint is designed for ease of use and ready to roll out of the box experience, including multimedia support on desktop. The operating system is easier to install than most Linux distributions. We have second slide, who is the founder of Linux. He is Linus Torvalds. Linux computer operating system created in the early 1990s by Finnish software engineer Linus Torvalds and FSF, while still a student at the University of Helsinki. Torvalds started developing Linux to create a system similar to a Unix operating system. And third slide, what is operating system? OS is the communication between a user and a system takes place with the help of an operating system. It translates the instructions given by the user in high-level language of machine language which computer can understand.
As an important thing in computer technology, there are so many functions of operating system. First, file management. The operating system is helpful in making change in stored files and replacing them. Instruction. The operating system establishes a mutual understanding between the various instructions given by the user. Processor management. The processor is the execution of a program that accomplishes the specified work in that program. Input or output management. What output will come from the input given by the user? The operating system runs this program. Memory management. The operating system handles the responsibility of storing any data, system programs, and user programs in memory. Job priority. The work of job priority is creation and promotion. It determines of action should be done first in a computer system. Special control program. The operating system makes automatic change to the task through specific control programs. Job accounting. It keeps track of time and resource used by various jobs and users. Monitoring activities. The operating system takes care of the activities of the computer system during various processes. This aborts the program if there are errors. Scheduling of resources and jobs. The operating system prepares the list of tasks to be performed for the device of the computer system. And the last one is security. Computer security is a very important aspect of any operating system. The reliability of an operating system is determined by how much better security it provides us.
What What is Linux? Linux is Unix-like open source computer operation system that directly manage hardware and resources of a system such as CPU, memory, and storage, and manage the communication between software and hardware. Di sini ada beberapa tipe Linux. Yang pertama itu ada Debian Linux. What is Debian Linux is a cross-platform OS that can run on almost any device or type of computer. The second, Red Hat Linux. Red Hat Linux is an OS that has the advantage of being easy to install. Another advantage is the user can change IP address into domains on the web. Yang ketiga ada CentOS Linux. CentOS Linux itu is one of the large and almost software OS among Linux user. Yang keempat ada Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu Linux itu adalah OS project developed and sponsored by Canonical and released in the 2004. Ubuntu can be interpreted as humanity toward fellow human beings. Yang kelima itu ada Slackware Linux. Slackware is an OS created by Patrick Volkerding of Slackware Linux. Terus yang keenam ada SUSE Linux. SUSE Linux itu an OS developed by the OpenSUSE project. SUSE Linux has a characteristic that is stable and user-friendly. Yang ketujuh itu ada Linux Mint. Linux Mint OS use the best of Debian and Ubuntu, so application that can run on Ubuntu can automatically run on Linux Mint. Yang ke-8 ada Fedora Linux. Fedora Linux has used by almost 50% of Linux user has advanced security feature such as Linux Secure atau Security Exchange Linux is not easily affected by virus because it has security audit and intrusion system. History of Linux Mint. Linux Mint is very modern operation system. Development started in 2006. It is, however, built upon very mature and proven software layer, including the Linux kernel, the GNU tools, and the Cinnamon stock. Linux Mint in 2008 adopted precisely the same release cycle as Ubuntu and dropped its winner version number before releasing the version 5 for increasing the compatibility between the two systems. In 2010, Linux Mint released the LMDE atau Linux Mint Debian Edition, and on May 2015 Linux Mint team decided to no longer support original rolling release version of Linux Mint Debian Edition after January 2015. Now, Linux Mint saw a rapid rise in popularity and more people use it every day.
Okay, now we add the chapter 3, development of Linux Mint. Linux Mint relies on user feedback to make decisions and orient its development. The official blog usually features the discussion where users are asked to tell their opinion about last features or decisions that are implemented for the upcoming release. Most is done in Python and organized online using GitHub, making it easy for developers to provide patch, implement additional features, and also fork Linux Mint sub-projects. For example, the Linux Mint menu was ported to Fedora. How many types of Linux Mint are there? First, in 2006, Linux Mint with Linux Mint 1 ada. In 2007, with Linux Mint 2, Bianca, Linux Mint 3, Selena, and Linux Mint 4, Dariana. At 2008, with Linux Mint 5, Elisa, and Linux Mint 6, Felicia. In 2009, with Linux Mint 7, Gloria, Linux Mint 8, Helena, and in 2010, with Linux Mint 9, Isadora, and Linux Mint 10, Julia. In 2011, with Linux Mint 11, Katya, and Linux Mint 2012, Lisa, with Linux Mint 13, Maya, and Linux Mint 14, Nadia. At 2013, with Linux Mint 15, Olivia, and Linux Mint 16, Petra. At 2014, with Linux Mint 14, Kiana. At 2016, with Linux Mint 16, Sarah. And 2018 until 19, with Linux Mint 19, Tara, Linux Mint 19, 1, Tessa, and Linux Mint 19, 2, Tina. And in 2020 and 21, they have Linux Mint 20 and Linux Mint 20 to Uma.
Applications in Linux Mint. First, OpenOffice. It's similar to Office Suite in Microsoft. Calm Antivirus is an open-source antivirus engine for detecting trojans, virus, malware, and other. FileZilla, allowing a user to transfer files from a local computer to a remote computer. gzip, used for file compression and decompression. PuTTY is an alternative to Telnet clients. OpenSSH is the tool for remote login with the SSH protocol. Conky is a lightweight free system monitor available on Linux and BSD. TrueCrypt is a cross-platform open-source program for file and full disk encryption. Firestarter is a front-end for configuring iptables, which is the firewall system built into the Linux. Gpart is a free partition editor for graphically managing your disk partitions. And disadvantages of Linux Mint. Advantages: Linux Mint comes pre-installed of a bunch of useful stuff such as a web browser, email program, etc. Linux Mint has a software updater that updates the entire system. Linux Mint doesn't include or need a virus checker or general malware checker. Linux in general is better than Windows about not automatically running programs. Linux Mint lets you simply use your system without any of your personal information being sent to Microsoft and without displaying ads. Disadvantages. Disadvantages. Linux Mint has no device manager. It has a conservative approach to new technologies. Linux Mint is too large and requires a reasonably capable machine to run effectively.
And in the end, we have a conclusion and suggestion. First, conclusion. The conclusion that can be drawn after studying Linux Mint in general is technology development will occur rapidly if it is done or collects many ideas from various developers in community until it can be realized. And the last one, suggestion. We recommend that users try to use the Linux Mint operating system and switch from the Windows operating system to Linux operating system. In the addition, Linux Mint has a lot of advantages or pros. And thank you. This is Gania Safika Raisa, Davara Koiranesa Zuliani, and Faris Alfiandra Muhammad from Group 7 Linux Mint. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.